Naresh BA final year, Rajkumar BA second year, Pawan BA first year, Shirsha BA first year. Introduction. Among the tribes inhabiting the plains of Telangana, the Lambadas with their pale yellow skin tone are the largest group. They are originally from North India. After the loss in battle of terrain between the Rajput king Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori, the Lambadas migrated to other regions. India, system of Muhammad Ghori. The positive discrimination, they are listed as scheduled castes in the states of Karnataka, Himachal Pradesh and Delhi, as backward classes in Maharashtra, Punjab and Madhya Pradesh, and as scheduled tribes in Orissa and Bihar. The east-west state of Andhra Pradesh has classified them as scheduled tribes from 1956 in the coastal areas and from July 1977 in Telangana. After the formation of separate states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana on 2nd June 2014, their population in Telangana is 20.46 lakhs or 5.81% of overall population of the state. The Lambadas are also known as Banjaras and Sugalis. The term Banjaras owes its etymology to the Sanskrit and Banjara, wanderers in jungles, based on their nomadic life. They are found all over the country and are variously known as Banjaras, Banjaris, Goiparis, Lamanas, Lambadis, Sugalis, Sikalis and Lambadas. The language they speak is Golgoli. Over to Varun.
Gaur Maitri Chief Matir via marriage system in Lambada community. For marriage alliances between two Tandas, they first approach and consult the Tanda head. The head hands over the details of both bride and groom through Bhat and Daddy and also speaks to the parents of other side. The Gotra or patronage of both the families is referred and only if they match would the activities related to the marriage be initiated. A Banjara man cannot marry outside the subcaste nor within the section to which he belongs. He is also forbidden to marry a woman belonging to his mother's side, paternal or maternal grandmother's side and paternal or maternal great grandmother's side. Generally, among the Lambadas within the same Gotra, they have subcaste called Upagotra. They are not considered to be of the same lineage. Those belonging to the same Gotra, Swagotrikulu, are deemed to have a fraternal relationship by Pana, and hence there would be no maternal relationships within Gotra. Over to Rajkumar.
Haveli. The 5 or 6 plates of new clothes given by the parents, ornaments, nail plate and tumbler and other articles are stacked together into a gun, which is posted on the back of the bull. The gun is sack made of a jute with pockets and leather sides. When hung across the back of the bull, the jute sack is also called tangri. It is woven into various small pockets. The bride holding a stick called dandiya is then made to stand on the back of the bull, wielding the dandiya with both the hands raised. She sings and performs Haveli. She refers to the Tanda, the Nayak, the people they wail and pleads them to take care of her parents. She says that her association with the Tanda has come to end from this Dandiya, that she does not have any more privileges to serve them. She requests the audience to not forget her but retain in their hearts. Addressing her brother, she sings the following Dhawlo. Bhayare Tari, Beniti, Advani, Varemati, Bhandre, Chandamare, Chandle, Chandulali, Biyavare, Bhayare, Tu Panchema, Chalasto, Tu Panchema Chalasto, Panchasima, Paraklure, Manugotari Marwadi, Biyavare, Haya, Bhayare, Tu Chalasto, Teri, Tari, చాలా all pretty old to some.
Conclusion. On assistant in the Lambada community, the process of marriage system will continue approximately up to 6 months with several programs. In the marriage system, the program are continuous process, but today in the modernization has part act present in the marriage program are continuous process, but today in the modernization has part present in the marriage system. In changing itself on asset time the marriage system has continued up to 6 months, but today the process of marriages will be completed within one or 2 days. In this marriage system, as part of bride will change the bridegroom's house before the bride will sit on the ox and send the program with Haveli. This Haveli programs as part of the bride sits on the ox. After that, in her hand hold Chatiya. Here is mother's side families, Tanda peoples and Tanda leaders must be sufficient their animal
Thank you.
husband. Thank you.